Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm showing you all about the solar system. It's going to be epic. So, this is called Solar System Explorer. Whoa, then we're gonna explore all of the planets? That's crazy. And also, this is made from my father, that was Samrana. So, there's all kind of planets like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, whatever. Even the sun in the middle. So my father said if I click here, it will start. But first, let's please like and subscribe before I start my video, so I can give you more videos. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 1, 2, 3. Thanks. Alright, let's start. Alright, so we can see ton of them. And did you know the sun is super powerful and it has its own light? Isn't this crazy? And Earth don't have its own light, okay? So it comes from the sun and to the moon and gives some light to the Earth. Let's start. So it will start spinning in 3, 2, 1. Whoa, it's spinning. Wow, that looks so cool. Anyways, let's start. So my father said if I click on any of these, we will wait. What's this? Click on any planet to explore and listen. Well, my father exactly say that. Alright, let's start with Mercury.
Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system and the closest to the Sun. It is only slightly larger than Earth's moon. Mercury has no atmosphere to retain heat, which causes extreme temperature swings from minus 180 degrees Celsius at night to 430 degrees Celsius during the day. A day on Mercury lasts 59 Earth days, and it orbits the Sun in just 88 days, making it the fastest planet.
See, Mercury is the fastest planet. That's so cool. And it's super fun to do this. I kind of like the color of this. I kind of like the gray color. There's also this shining thing. You know, balls? Not that kind of balls, okay? The ball we play with. It have the light like that. It feels like a little ball. If you hold this like this, it might look like this tiny from the screen, but actually Mercury is giant. Let's start with the other one. Next will be Venus.
Venus is often called Earth's twin because of its similar size. However, Venus has a thick toxic atmosphere filled with carbon dioxide and clouds of sulfuric acid. It is the hottest planet in our solar system, with surface temperatures of about 4.
Oh, sorry, it stopped for another.
Venus is often called Earth's twin because of its similar size. However, Venus has a thick toxic atmosphere filled with carbon dioxide and clouds of sulfuric acid. It is the hottest planet in our solar system, with surface temperatures of about 465 degrees Celsius. Venus rotates backwards compared to most planets, and a day on Venus is actually longer than its year.
Whoa, that's crazy. So Venus is the hottest thing. I firstly, when I didn't learn about the solar system before, I thought that Mercury was the hottest planet. Then I learned a lot. Then I understood that Venus is the hottest planet. So if you're confused which is the hottest planet, just go to Google and search what's the hottest planet in the solar system, of course, or else it won't understand that well. So let's go to the next one. Next is Earth.
Earth is our home planet and the only known world to harbor life. With liquid water covering 71% of its surface, a protective atmosphere, and a powerful magnetic field, Earth provides the perfect conditions for life to thrive. It is the only planet not named after a god. Earth's rotation is gradually slowing down, and our magnetic field protects us from harmful solar radiation.
Well, that's the most interesting planet of all. Whoa, that's so crazy. Let's go to Mars now. 3, 2, 1.
Mars is known as the red planet because of the iron oxide on its surface. It features the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, which stands 21.9 kilometers tall. Mars also has the largest canyon, Valles Marineris. Scientists believe Mars once had liquid water, and it could potentially support future human colonization. A Martian day is about 24 hours and 37 minutes.
Whoa, it's 24 hours? Wait, Earth is also 24 hours. 24 hours in a day and night together. For a day, it takes 24 hours. So if you can't say, like, I think 20 or whatever. Alright, it have 2 moons. I think Earth have 1 moon. Let's check. Yeah, it have 1 moon.
Earth is...
No. Yeah, okay.
Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system.
Alright, so I was saying...
Jupiter is the largest planet...
I'm saying that Jupiter is the largest planet. What? I was saying there was Jupiter. We're going to Jupiter. I'm really sorry about that.
Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It is a gas giant with a mass more than twice that of all other planets combined. Its famous Great Red Spot is a storm that has been raging for hundreds of years, and it is actually larger than Earth. Jupiter has the shortest day of all planets, just 10 hours, and it has at least 95 known moons.
Dude, only 10 hours? That's not the help for like other things. I think we can stay 2 days in there without sleeping. What the? Let's just go and get the next one. Alright, let's see what's the next one. Of course, my favorite, Saturn!
Saturn is famous for its stunning ring system made of ice and rock particles. These rings extend up to 282,000 kilometers from the planet, yet they are only about 10 meters thick. Saturn is the second largest planet and is so light that it would actually float in water. It has 146 known moons, the most of any planet in our solar system.
What? Is light that light? I thought Saturn was pretty heavy. Like everything is this. I guess I can like pull it at our Earth. Dude, that's so easy to bring. If you go in a rocket and meow, then get it and meow, and then we will put it in a museum and we can see it. Or whatever. Sorry for that. It was pretty cringe. Let's go to the next, which is Uranus. Alright.
Uranus is an ice giant that rotates on its side with a 98-degree tilt, making it unique among all planets. It has a beautiful blue-green color caused by methane in its atmosphere. Uranus has 13 known rings that were discovered in 1977, and it was the first planet discovered with a telescope. A year on Uranus is 84 Earth years.
Whoa, that's so crazy. And it has 27 moons. Wait, I think I keep forgetting to say the moons. So, let's see Saturn.
Saturn is famous for its stunning ring system.
Stop this! 146 moons. Whoa. Alright, let's now go to
Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun. It is a dark, cold world with the strongest winds in the entire solar system, reaching up to 2,100 kilometers per hour. Neptune was the first planet located through mathematical predictions rather than observation. It takes Neptune 165 years to orbit the Sun, and it has 16 known moons.
That's so much. That's literally so much. Than the Earth. Not than the Earth. I think you're thinking that than the Earth. Like the Earth is much slower than Neptune. No. I'm saying that Earth is much faster than it, okay? Alright, so that's all. And I'm so happy to talk with you guys. And also, today I am super happy and excited for something to do with my friends. So I'll send it at 5 tomorrow at 5 at in the afternoon at 5. So check it out later. So I'm going to do some crafts and some cute little dogs, and I don't know what my other friends were doing. So that's all for today. See you later. Bye.